This is Tajamul Adil. Today I will discuss the difference between Funsnap Capture 5 smartphone gimbal and a typical handheld mobile videos. Are you tired of shaky, immature mobile videos that don't capture your vision? You have got great ideas, but your mobile footage holds you back. What if I told you a secret to professional looking videos isn't an expensive camera but something you might need? I'm talking about a Funsnap Capture 5 smartphone gimbal which can unlock a new level of creativity freedom to your filmmaking. I don't want to waste your a lot of time. Let's do the unboxing of Capture 5 and see what's inside the box. Imagine effortlessly smooth, high quality videos that immediately grab attention of your viewers and your content stand out. That isn't a dream, it's reality, which Capture 5 Gimbal offers. Let's talk about how to use and balance Capture 5 smartphone gimbal for mobile videos and how it can elevate production quality. First, let's balance the smartphone and follow the steps. I'm using an iPhone 60 Pro as Capture 5 can afford a payload of up to 450 gram and follow the step on how it fitted properly. To switch on the Capture 5, hold the power button for 3 seconds and there you go, it balances the smartphone. You can also change the orientation from horizontal to vertical and from vertical to horizontal. Using the right side slider or small wheel rotation can give you a vertical shooting mode. Also, it will give you the option to shoot videos in Inception mode. In the Inception mode, gimbal rotates clockwise and anti-clockwise shooting mode as you can see in this video. Double tap on the quick vertical shooting mode to change the position to vertical mode, and in this position you can rotate only limited angles as demonstrated in the video. Discover the difference between the simple handheld videos and the silky smooth Capture 5 smartphone videos. You won't believe your eyes. In the next section, I will walk through the gimbal sliders, menu items, and buttons in a detailed zoom view. The Capture 5 gives you a dreamy effect feature, which is Inception Mode. To achieving this effect, you don't need any app. Even with a native camera app, you can achieve these Inception Mode videos. I'm sharing the Inception Mode result, which I recorded using the native camera app in my iPhone 16 Pro, and here is the video result. Want to make your videos stand out and captivate your audience with stunning and stable footages? Rotate the left side wheel to perform zoom actions for the current shooting. Double tap the shooting button to shift the camera angle to vertical shooting mode. Triple tap the shooting button to change the Capture 5 shooting mode as it shifts to wide angle shifting mode, and again triple tap while shifting the shooting mode to normal mode. Are you ready to discover Funsnap Capture 5 most amazing feature where you don't need Bluetooth for AI smart tracking mode? Simply place the AI tracker on the Capture 5 as you see in the video. In the gesture mode, use the OK gesture to follow you even on the back camera, which is very interesting feature. To stop the gesture follow mode, use the full palm of your hand to stop the follow mode. Now showing you the face tracking mode feature and then the full human body tracking mode feature, so keep watching the video. Now I will show you its incredible features provide you effortless stabilization. For your audience, you can create stunning and high quality videos. Get ready to see how the Capture 5 isn't just an accessory, it's an essential upgrade for any serious content creator. Shooting videos with a handheld videos doesn't give you a lot of angles and shooting modes. For creating buttery smooth videos, you definitely need Capture 5 Smartphone Gimbal. Loving some of its cool features like AI tracking mode, Inception Mode, 16 hours of battery life, and its ability to handle heavy phones and awesome shooting modes. Funsnap Capture 5 Smartphone Gimbal buying price is $108, and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you're interested in 4K dash camera videos with the parking surveillance mode, then you need this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.